He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight train is whining. I'm so lonesome I could cry.
In a recording career that lasted just 6 years, Hank Williams had 40 top 10 hits. 11 hit #1. Hank left a wealth of music recorded by other artists nearly 1,000 times over. But this man who achieved so much in so little time had an humble beginning. He was born Hiram Williams on September the 17th, 1923, 1 year after his sister Irene in the rural town of Mount Olive, Alabama. Hank was born with a congenital spinal problem that tormented him the rest of his life.